This is tonight's homework. We finished most of this in class. Okay, let me go over this for people that is something new that were absent or I didn't get to in class. So you can see I tried recording it at school. The computer I got is an old one, so I can't figure out how to get the volume and it's not working correctly. I can't record, so I have to do it at home, so it'll be a little bit later each day. You graph y equals to 3. It says graph the following linear equation. So equation is equal. You're going to make a line. You find the letter y. Okay, remember to find this letter on the graph and then put a dot on 3. So find y. Here's y. Put a dot on 3 right there. Now, because they want you to draw a line, it doesn't make sense to draw on the y line, so you have to draw a horizontal line like this, and that's it. That's all you have to do. Here you find x, put a dot on -4. Find x, x is right here, and put a dot on -4 right there. And it doesn't make sense to do that, so it's a vertical graph like that. So here you find y, put a dot on 2, it's horizontal line. Okay, so normally, and then I go to 6. This is x equals -1, so find x. Go to -1. X -1 here. Put your mirror in. It says reflection, so you put a mirror in there. Okay, so Robert's reflection is over here, R, and it's 1 away from here, so the reflection is also 1. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is 3 away, so you count 3 over here. That's T right there. Okay? And you put the prime for its reflection. This prime means it's a reflection. So, gosh. Okay, here's P. P is 2 away, so you count 2 away. Put P there. Prime. It's a reflection. Hold on. Oh my gosh, it's the dog. Can you play with the dog? Please? I need to do this. Stop it. And then you graph that right here. And that's your graph. Reflect over the y-axis. Okay, y equals to 1. Reflect, that means put a mirror on y1. Here, find y. Go to 1, which is right here. Draw a line. That's your mirror. That's your reflection line. L is 1 away, so L prime is over here. K is 1 away. K prime is over here. M though, M is over here, so it's going this way towards there, so M reflection is on this side. How many? 4? So 4 here, so 4 this way. Right there, that's M prime. Erase all that extra line, and then K to L, L to M, M to back to K. That's reflection over Y1. This is at Y -1. Go find y. Right here, -1 is here. That's your reflection line right there, horizontal. J is on that dot, so J prime is on there too, on that reflection line. Okay? I is 5 away, so I prime, its image is 5 away also right here. And obviously H is directly this way by H prime, like that. That's a reflection. Okay? X2, find X, go to 2, right here. It's your reflection line right there. Make sure you draw it in. The reflection line, F, reflects on itself. G, self, so D is here. Count 3 over. D prime is here. Okay? Oops. Reflection line needs to be there. It's important. Graph that. Connect the dots. And there you go. It is symmetrical. It is congruent to the other one. Alright. And then we go up to the number 4. Here it says reflect the image over the x-axis. Find the x, which is here. Draw the line. Because it didn't say x equals 2, so just on the x. B is 1 away from it. So B prime is over here. C is over here. 3 over here on the other side of that reflection line. A is 3 away, so 3 away is over here. Just one dot at a time and ignore everything else, and then connect. A prime to B prime to C prime, and back to A prime. And it should be congruent to the other one there. Okay, reflection over the y-axis. Here's the y-axis. That's where you put the mirror. M and P are in the exact same place. Prime. 4 away, 4 over. N prime. There goes your dots. Right there like that. And that's your dot homework. And right there, describe the line of reflection. Where would you draw the line of reflection? Right in the middle between these two. So right there. Right there, how do you describe that? That is x right here equals to -2. Line of reflection here would be right there because it's 3, 3, right? And that is y equals to 2. This is this spot. That's the y line. Y equals to 2. Okay, I told the class not to do that. Okay, here, I did this one here. Additive inverse, distribute, combine like terms, and this is 0. Kids get confused here. 0 plus nothing is 0. This is 0 plus -10 is -10. It's no solution. Something that is like that is, I believe this one here. Additive inverse, negative times a negative. Here is negative positive 1n plus a -10 there. -1 times 10. 7n plus, you got 8n plus -10 equals to 8n. Subtract 8n, subtract 8n. 0, 0 there, 0 equals to 0 plus -10 is -10. No solution. Let's look at F. Negative 5 times M is negative 5M plus negative 5 times 2 is negative 10 plus 8. You got negative 2, negative 5M. This is 5M plus 18. 5M plus 18. These are not alike. You need to make one of them 0. I like to make the negative 0 because I have to add 5M to make 0. Negative 2 equals to 10M. Minus 18, that's 0. It's negative 20 equals 10M. Divide by 10. M then is negative 2. Okay? And then D, I like to get rid of the fraction first. Additive inverse. You can always distribute first and then combine like terms, but then you still have a fraction. I just like to get rid of it so I can deal with whole numbers by multiplying by 9 times 9 times 9 here. That goes 3, least common denominator, 6M plus a negative 6 plus a negative 18, 5M. Distribute 18M, negative 18, negative 36, subtract 18M, subtract 18M, negative 36 equals to negative 13M, divide by negative 13, okay, M equals to 36 over 13, positive, because 2 negative is a positive, one solution. Okay, most of you should know how to do this. Done so many of these. Okay, least common denominator is 6, because 3 and 2 can go into 6. So times 6 times 6 times 6. 2 times, that's 4. That stays the same, 9K plus a negative 6 plus 30, 3K times that. Distribute. Combine like term. 6, 36K. Subtract 36K. Divide by negative 32. Oh, this is 33. Negative 33. K equals to a positive 1 over 2 over 11. One solution. Okay, number 1, least common denominator, 6. It's in 2 times 2 times 2 is 4, parentheses C plus 9 plus 30. Distribute. $37 equals to 30 minus 37. is tired. Okay, -7. Hope I'm doing it right. 4m divided by 4, one solution, right? M equals to -7/4. One solution. Oh, there we go. None of them is infinite solution either, huh? Yeah, that's your homework.